Hello everyone. In this video, we will take a closer look at one of the most powerful and widely used business intelligence tools available today. From its definition to its origin, we will explore the fundamentals of Power BI and why it's a game changer for data analysis and visualization. Talking about the definition of Power BI. Power BI is a business analytical tool developed by Microsoft that enables the users to visualize and analyze the data, share insights across organizations, and make informed decisions. It offers a wide range of features for data connectivity, transformation, modeling, visualization, and collaboration, making it a comprehensive solution for modern data driven organizations. At its core, Power BI allows users to connect to various data sources, including the databases, cloud services, and online platforms to bring all their data together in one place. Users can then transform and model this data using intuitive tools and techniques to create meaningful insights. With powerful visualization capabilities, users can build interactive dashboards and reports to communicate with their insights effectively and make some data driven actions. If we talk about the origin of Power BI, it can be tracked back to the Microsoft's earlier business intelligence offerings, including Excel, SQL Server analysis services, and Power Pivot. Over the years, Microsoft recognized the growing need for a more comprehensive and user-friendly BI solutions that could meet the evolving demand of business in the digital age. In 2013, Microsoft introduced the first version of Power BI as a self-service BI tool aimed at enabling the users to analyze and visualize the data without relying on IT or data experts. Since then, Power BI has undergone significant enhancements and updates, including the introduction of Power BI Desktop, Power BI Pro, and Power BI Premium to cater to the needs of individuals, teams, and enterprises. Today, Power BI is a leading BI platform used by millions of users worldwide, spanning industries such as finance, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, and more. Its seamless integration with other Microsoft products and services such as Office 365, Azure, and Dynamic 365 further enhances its capabilities and interoperability, making it the go to choice for organizations looking to unlock the value of their data. So, to conclude this video, we have introduced Power BI, a powerful business analytical tool developed by Microsoft. From its definition as a comprehensive BI solution to its origin rooted in the Microsoft's earlier offering, Power BI has become a cornerstone of modern data-driven organizations. In the next session, we will be discussing that why we should be using Power BI. Thank you.